Hey guys, welcome to a new video tutorial. I am back from my very extended not being here, and I'm back making new video tutorials. As a new comeback, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to install WordPress, which is a website sort of blog tool and publishing platform, and it's free to use and it is set up. And it is quite complicated to set up. You're going to need a database and a website host, and I've never tried to host it on localhost, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it online so other people can get to it. So you're going to need to open up your web browser, and you're going to need to go to a website called 000 web host, which is web hosting, and it gives you PHP MySQL, which is the database, so that's why we're using it for today. And it also supports PHP, and it supports and it has a lot of traffic and disk space. So you're going to sign up or go to the members area and sign in, and then you're going to need to create a new account. So you create a new domain, so you press create new, and you want to type in the domain name. So this is the URL where people will go to get to your website, and then you want to type a password for it. And I need to type my password 321. Okay, and then you'll wait for it to activate. So it says status, and then it will say building, so you need to refresh it until it says active, and the action will say go to cPanel. So you'll click that, and you want to scroll down to view FTP details. So these are the details for the FTP, and what FTP stands for is File Transfer Protocol, which is you can use a client such as Smart FTP or FileZilla, and it'll transfer files to your website from the desktop. So the next one we need to get is FileZilla, so you click on the link and download it for your operating system. I'm just going to open mine up. So this is FileZilla. Looks quite complicated, but it's easy to it says that a new version, but I'm not going to download it, so I'm just going to minimize that for now, and we're going to open up a new tab and go to WordPress. And this is the blog tool and publishing platform that's going to be at the base structure of our website. So we're going to click on that. It's a free download. It's free, version 3.2.1 at the moment, so I'm going to download that. Download WordPress. And it's taken a while to download, so my internet connection is really bad at the moment because Virgin sucks. So once that WordPress is opened up, you'll see there's a file here. You want to open that and select everything in here, and then we're just going to put that to one side. You can close this tab down now, and you want to transfer these details into FileZilla. I'm just going to make a bit this smaller so I can see the details. So the host name, right click and copy, paste it in, the username. The password is the password you created for the website, so mine's password 321. And then you want to press quick connect. And then we'll be in our file structure, file directory structure here, so you want to go to public HTML, delete these two files, and then go back into WinRAR and drag all of these files into the FileZilla. And this will take a while to do, so you might want to go get a coffee or something. It takes a very long time to do. It's transferring 920 files, and it goes quite quickly, but it does take a while, so I'm going to pause the video while this does that. Okay, so once the files have successfully transferred to the website, you want to go back to this, and you want to click on the domain here, which will come up with this error. You want to go to create a configuration file, and then you want to keep this tab open. So you want to go press let's go, and then you want to go back to this tab and press back. And you want to scroll down until you see MySQL and click that. And you want to create a database name, so I'm going to name mine example. The username is going to be admin. The password is going to be password 321, and then I'm going to confirm it, and I'm going to create the database. So these are the details that we're going to copy over to the WordPress. So we're going to get the database name, so which is this second line, and copy that into the database name. And the username is this, which will be admin. Password will be a password 321. The database host, MySQL web host. And then for the table prefix, just leave that and press submit. And if you get an error, you want to make sure that all the files are exactly the same. So I'm gonna have to go back and make sure they are right. Okay, so the other problem was that I should have copied all of that instead of just the username. So go back to this and press run the install. You want to give your site titles, example website. The username is going to be admin. The password is going to be password 321. Your email, so I'm just going to put in an old email that I don't use anymore. And then you can click this if you want it to appear in Google. So install, and then log in. So then I'm just going to log in. Remember me and log in. And this is the control panel. So it looks kind of complicated, but the first thing I'm going to do is go to the settings, and I'm going to change some of these. So the tagline, best way to explain the tagline is going to be, if I open this up, this is WordPress. This is the website, and you see this is the tagline here, and you can see just there that it comes down a little bit. I'll zoom in onto it. It says just another WordPress site. That's that bit, so I'm going to change that to watch, learn, create, and if I press save changes and refresh this, it's changed. So then you can change new user default rule with subscriber, blah blah blah, the time, and all of that stuff down here. And then you can change the themes as well. You can change the pages which are here. So this is a sample page. I'm just going to trash this. I'm going to go to add page, and say you wanted the page to be called about. And this isn't like this is kind of like a blog page, although it's not like this is. So if I type some stuff here, blah, and then press publish, and then refresh, and I go to the about, you can leave, it's like an article, so you can leave a comment and stuff, and you can edit it straight from here, and then type some more stuff. So that's that. I'm gonna go back to if I can remember how to, yes, go to appearance. You can install themes. So these are the themes you can use, and you can install a theme. So you can use find themes to find a theme that you might like. So I might use that and press install. Press install now. And then you can press activate. And then that is that's the theme applied. So hopefully it should have applied it, which it has. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. It was pretty basic. All the links will be in the description, and if you like it, please favourite, like and comment. Thank you for watching.